Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. In today's video, I am going to share with you recipe of bitter gourd chips or Karela chips that we can prepare with very less oil, and these are gluten free chips. You can easily prepare at home with very less ingredients and still you will get the market style crunch in this recipe. So without any further ado, let's start the preparation. Here I have taken 3 medium sized bitter gourd or Karela. I have already washed and pat these dry. So before you start the recipe, please make sure to wash and pat these dry. Now cut both the ends. After cutting both the ends, cut the thin slices from this bitter gourd. This is slightly red in color, so don't worry. Anyhow, we are going to remove the seeds. So similar way, cut rest of the bitter gourd pieces into thin slices, as thin as you can, so that it will be more crunchy when we are frying these. Throw the end part. Now remove the seeds from the bitter gourd. This is optional. If you want, you can remove these. If the bitter gourd that you have taken come out red like this, then remove the seeds. It does not make any difference in the taste. After removing the seeds, add 1 teaspoon of salt to remove the bitterness from the bitter gourd. Alternatively, you can use the tamarind water to remove the bitterness, but salt is the effective method. Now cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Open the plate and then squeeze the water. You have to squeeze it. Take small amount from the bitter gourd pieces and squeeze the water. You will notice all the bitterness come out into this water as we are squeezing the water. Now throw this water into the separate bowl. Add bitter gourd pieces, then add 1.5 tablespoon of gram flour or besan, 1 teaspoon of rice flour to give the crispiness into the recipe, half teaspoon of dry mango powder. Alternatively, you can use the half teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch or according to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt. We keep in mind we have already added the salt. Now give it a quick mix. The quantity of the ingredients depends how much the bitter gourd you are taking. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil. Give it a quick mix. After mixing it, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of water so that all the dry ingredients coated well with the Karela chips or the bitter gourd chips. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will notice it has slight moisture and all the chips are properly coated into the ingredients that we have added. Now these are ready. To fry these, I am going to use Ninja air fryer IP Duo. I am going to use one basket. First, I am going to set the air fryer function for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes. First, I am going to do the preheating. Once the preheating is done, then I will show you. Once the preheating is done, now remove the air fryer basket carefully. It is hot and you can grease it with the oil or you can spray the oil. And now one by one place all the bitter gourd pieces. Make sure to layer it in single layer, and once you have spread it into the single layer, now insert the air fryer basket into the air fryer. Select the air fryer function for about 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Cooking time depending upon the quantity and the model of the air fryer, but start from the low setting of the timing. Once it is done halfway, then I will show you. Now it's been 5 minutes. These are halfway done. Press the pause function and carefully remove the air fryer basket because this is very hot. Now using tongue or just wiggle it and then lightly spray with the oil. This is totally optional, and then again reinsert the basket into the air fryer and then press the start button. Once it is done, then I will show you. Have you ever tried the bitter gourd pickle or stuffed bitter gourd or onion bitter gourd recipe? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will share the link in the description box if you want to try these delicious and healthy recipes. 10 minutes is done. Cancel the air fryer function and now carefully remove the air fryer basket. Make sure to do it carefully because it is very hot, and you will notice the crunch, how crispy and crunchy these are. Remove these into the bowl or the plate, and now I will show you the crunch. See how crunchy and delicious these are, ready to serve as an evening snack with a cup of hot tea or coffee. Once these are completely cooled down, these became more crunchy, and you can store these in an airtight container for up to 1 week outside. Don't keep it into the refrigerator, and the cooking time may vary depending upon the quantity of the bitter gourd chips that you are preparing. Alternatively, you can prepare these into the oven at 350°F for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can start with the less time and then increase accordingly how much crispy you need. Hope you like this easy recipe of bitter gourd chips or Karela chips. If you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.